I want to share some breaking news with you from some of the biggest movers in the market today, so stick around. Hey guys, welcome to the TipRanks YouTube channel. Thank you so much for joining me for today's video. My name is Richard Allen. I post here at least twice a day, breaking news videos and also stock market related videos as well. So I would love to have you subscribe. And if you find any value or learn anything new in this video, hit that like button down below for me. We're going to talk about some breaking news, some of the biggest movers in the market right now. And some of them are up 30% already today in trading. And it's fantastic. We're going to talk about a bunch of Chinese companies because the regulatory landscape is changing a little bit. We're finding a little bit more clarity, and you have companies like Alibaba, JD.com, I just talked about yesterday, on the move like crazy right now. So we're going to jump over to TipRanks.com. I'm going to show you some of the big companies that are moving right now. But look at that, stocks on the move. We have New Oriental Education. We have Two Simple Holdings, Pinduoduo. We have QFIN, all Chinese companies, tech companies on the move right now, 15% plus up. We're also going to talk about Palo Alto Networks, up almost 20% after a fantastic earnings report after hours yesterday. So we got a lot on the docket right now, but let's jump over. Let's talk about Palo Alto Networks right now. Take a peek at that. They're up almost 20% on the day after the security hardware and software company reported better than expected quarterly earnings late yesterday. The company also issued a strong profit forecast for the new fiscal year. Palo Alto Networks, ticker symbol PANW, reported adjusted earnings of $1.60 per share on revenue of $1.22 billion. Analysts expected $1.44 per share on revenue of $1.17 billion, according to Refinitiv. So Palo Alto Networks, ticker symbol PANW, had fantastic earnings yesterday. What do the analysts have to say about PANW? This is a strong buy based on 23 buy ratings, 2 hold ratings, so 25 ratings total. But look at that, average upside of right around 8%, because guys, they have gained a lot over the past 2 days. But look at that, we have a low price of $410, a low rating, but a high target of $550. So there is potential here that this stock could gain another 20 to 25% over the next 12 months if you just take a peek at the ratings there. All right, in other news, we have Best Buy. The electronics retailer shares popped more than 8% after the companies issued better than expected quarterly results. Best Buy reported earnings of $2.98 per share on revenue of $11.85 billion. Wall Street expected earnings of $1.85 per share on revenue of $11.49 billion, according to Refinitiv. Same store sales were up almost 20% for Best Buy, and that topped estimates of 18%. So after Best Buy transitioned to this, look, we're going to match any price online, including Amazon, for the same or like products. Their business has been booming. They were dying for a long time. They were one of the retailers that were sort of going under because of Amazon. People were shopping online. Years ago, I worked for Best Buy here in Minnesota. Fantastic company. But as they transitioned to say, look, you can come here, get your product right now, and we'll match any price online. Like I said, their business has been booming, and same store sales being up almost 12% or 20% rather year over year is proving that. Ticker symbol BBY comes with a moderate buy based on 16 analyst ratings. We have 9 buy ratings, 6 hold ratings, and 1 sell rating. But this is up almost 9% now today after those fantastic earnings. Coming in very similar to Palo Alto Networks, a 7% upside over the next, now under 7% because it just ticked over 9% for the day. But most of these ratings coming in over the past 2 or 3 months after earnings last time. So I'm assuming that we're going to see some reiteration, some new price targets for Best Buy over the next couple days. Let me know if you hold Best Buy or PANW in your portfolio. I would love to hear your opinion on these 2 stocks. All right, let's jump over to the Chinese stocks. We have JD.com up almost 13% on the day. We have Alibaba up almost 7% on the day. Pinduoduo up almost 20% on the day. and obviously those tech-heavy Chinese stocks up almost 30% on the day as well. Like I said, Chinese tech companies are rebounding after a recent slump. We have companies like Alibaba. I've talked about yesterday. I don't own any JD.com, but I own some Alibaba. I think this company is fantastic, and I think it is very undervalued right now, and I think the market is starting to realize that as the market gains more clarity around some of the regulations over in China. So there were a lot of fears with different regulations coming and the speed of regulations as well, and those fears are starting to wane. So that's a good thing. Another couple stocks actually tied to China in a strange way are Las Vegas Sands and WYNN as well. So two massive Las Vegas-based companies are also tied to Chinese stocks in a way because they have massive footholds in Macau. So you have two companies, Las Vegas Sands, LVS, and WYNN, ticker symbol WYNN, rising as casino operators gained 6% and 5% after Macau erased travel restrictions for visitors from China's Guangdong province, a key visitor source for the gambling capital. On Monday, Chinese health authorities reported new low locally transmitted cases of COVID-19 for the first time since July, and this is proving to be very good for LVS, Las Vegas Sands, up 6.5% on the day. But look at that, strong buy based on 4 buy ratings and 1 hold rating with an average upside of almost 50% for Las Vegas Sands. WYNN, very similar, 6.3% on the day, moderate buy based on 4 buy ratings, 3 hold ratings with an average upside of almost 30% as well. So we have some big movers in the market today, guys. I'm coming to you a little bit earlier today, so look forward to another stock market related video today as well, and let me know how you feel about some of these big movers on the day, and if you hold any in your portfolio, because I'm sure if you do, you're pretty darn excited today. So let me know if you have any stocks that you want me to talk about down in the comments, and I will definitely look into them, and I'll see you in the next one.